Every day, we change. We change our ways, our focus, our means, our actions for a purpose. We change within. Sometimes to grow, we change gear. Speed up to where we want to be. Higher. Further. Bolder. We try a new perspective. When the road was dark and twisty, we changed direction. That was the beginning of tomorrow. We chose to catch the wind, to cross the waves, to chase the sun day after day, to go this way, all the way. It's a global race to a cleaner, safer, more resilient planet. The path ahead is long and winding, but we're all in this. EDPR takes this energy to 26 markets, charging a greener future with clean sources, empowering everyone on this endless mission, speeding up the energy transition. Employees, customers, partners, communities. The future is on, and we're riding it together. Because when we change as one. EDP Renewables, changing tomorrow, now.